Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday morning, February 1st, and we are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and SPY. So, at least for the morning, trade this like just any other day, where right now we all went out with some pretty powerful price spikes late in the day. The most positive response is to open above the base of the price spike. So right now that would mean above L's high. As you can see, overnight we've dipped below it a little bit, but right now, again, I'm in fours here in ES, but I got to see how wide this is. We have a very wide overnight point of control, but the majority of business is being done above the base of the price spike. Triple Qs, same thing. In fact, triple Qs have traded above yesterday's high in the pre-market, and they're above the base of their price spike for now. And IWM, Russell, they've traded back and forth through it, but above it for now. So, again, we have the Fed today. There will be opportunities this morning. Okay, there's no reason you cannot trade up until about 2. Just remember, the closer we get to 2 p.m., the more volume will probably dry up and range. So keep that in mind. Again, if you trade for a living, whether you trade for a living or not, there's no reason to place a trade at 2 p.m. It's a coin flip once the rate decision comes out, and then at 2:30 Powell starts his press conference, which lasts about an hour with all the Q&A and stuff. So again, it doesn't matter if you miss an hour or 2 hours of trading in your life rather than a coin flip. That's how I look at it. So, but as far as this morning goes, as far as trading, there are things we can do. You can take a long, certainly against the base of the price probe. It's right around values high. Okay, and then it depends how much heat you want to take. Right now, you could use probably the overnight low as you're out. It's a 4 points worth of heat. That's, again, there's 75 minutes to go, but if this was to hold, that's not a bad risk-reward long. You'd have overlap and a higher value possibly, and you could use the overnight low as you're out. Okay? Below that, I'd be careful because there's nothing until F's low, which was the afternoon pullback, and then those small set of single prints. So that's a long play. On the flip side, if we are to trade in this range up until 9:30, you can take a short against the overnight high, which right now, again, I'm generalizing. It's around 87. Yesterday's high is around 91. Again, 4 or 5 points worth of heat if you want to take a short against that out above yesterday's high. Now, keep in mind, we are still in balance on the daily. Russell's the only one that came out of balance. So balance rules will apply, but not at yesterday's high, but at the 27th high. Please keep that in mind if this market is to rally. All right, we do have an inside month right now. Well, not right now. We had an inside month. How long does it take to come out of it will be the question. We were looking at a possible inside day yesterday, but that got blown out of the water with the price spike in M period. And then, just quickly, so here are our charts. So the monthly right now is an inside month. So now we have to wait. We're less than $2 away from last month's high. So if we come out of it, you go with it and monitor it for continuation or lack of. But just remember, you might have an inside month up, but to me, the monthly balance is up at 411.73. So you could get some legs. That's about $3 worth of legs to the top of our balance. But just keep in mind, balance rules would apply if you come out of balance to the upside today or some point this week. The weekly is firmly up right now, above the trend line that we've talked about, and the daily is in a 4-day balance. The top of it is the monthly high. So if the market likes what they do today, you can get some legs at some point above this balance high. Remember, we still have the tech stocks tomorrow and the non-farm payroll Friday. So regardless of what happens today, I think Friday's close will be more important if we do get acceptance above this 4-day balance or revert back to what we did a good part of last year and give it all back. Look at our averages, the 200, the 50, and the 20 are all converge at the same price. Good luck trading today. Have a great day, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.